Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you the tutorial on dual tone effect on PicsArt. First, select an image of your preference. Now go to cutout and use the portrait cutout. With the razor and the brush, perfect the edges. Click Done. Now go to Effects and select Black and White. Then select Draw and go to the Layers section. Here, create a black background and drag the background layer below the image layer. Now create a new empty layer. Here, select the brush color as shown and decrease its hardness. Draw a line from the top to the bottom and from the layer section, select Overlay. Then select the triple dot on the layer section and transform the layer. So adjust the color to your image as shown. Click Done. Go to Layers again and create an empty layer. Select a brush color as shown and repeat the process with the second color. For the final touches, first add in the vignette effect under FX and click Done. Then go to Lens Flare and add in the one as shown. Adjust it to the image, adjust the hue, and your dual tone effect is complete. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.